Hello, precious family. Welcome back to Glorious and Rasia Kitchen. Adishema, Mimobi Piara Akwaba. Today we're making Easter theme Peeps treats.
Glorious Ahombrasia Kitchen na esias medjumedi we say ebremu abusia obetimi akọ on YouTube page Glorious Ahombrasia Kitchen obetimi asho spellings ni ye na ade a omo ye en same onwa enuane ahodo ene local dishes, foreign dishes, healthy cooking ena oye enuane a wonti bidin da ena omo no a page ni so make say uye bema uye student uye school mu anase onyanware ye eja esujani unyo obi no aduane ama obetimi akọ on YouTube channel no so no ahwese no se no anuane ahodo na so wahwe bi na wasua na wano ne kama na numbers na go screen so betumi afa na emom no menfre test no se help bi na ohia wo test no be reply ma kama na aduane kra pesa onu ano Gloria etimi aboa amo ano ano kama na.
I have here my Rice Krispies and my marshmallows. I'm using the mini ones. And I have here my Oreos crushed. Here is coconut flakes, dried ones. I have my butter here. I was looking for Easter mini eggs. The store don't have it, so I just bought the jelly beans. And here I have my beds. That's the name is Peeps. Yes, ready here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut them, separate them one, okay? And my muffin or cupcakes pan. You into my greasy made pan in the dough. I hire coconut flakes, kube, dry kube. I hire Oreos, cookies, and marshmallows, and into a cereal. And butter and toffee. Made decoration and baby you will use marshmallows na the marshmallows. First of all, no me babe color into green kube. Okay, I need green color. I need to add more. Now we're going to melt the butter and the marshmallow. So here we are with our marshmallow. See marshmallow nini I melted. Next, no, Mary added me Rice Krispies. Rice Krispies. Okay, now add me rice. You're gonna stir it, make sure they all mixed together. So as you can see, I'm still mixing it, trying to bind all together. Look at that, so beautiful. How you feel? Fansatu for mansa. Miye. Mama wakasha miye. So now we're going to place our rice in our muffin or cake pan. Right here, I'm going to need my 2 hands, so I'm just trying to demonstrate or show you how it's going to be. Yeah, because it's sticky now. It doesn't want to stay. So now I'll use my 2 hands. I'm gonna put on some gloves. You see? Yeah. That is what I'm trying to do. Like that. But I have to put my camera down. See? This is what I'm trying to do. To spread it in the pan. But I gotta put my camera down. So, see you. here we are. So this is it. See, so you can take it off like that. Yeah. Okay, so I'm going to use this marshmallows that is in here, apply to this side and this side as a glue. Then I'll put it on top here. Okay, into no sanam baba yanning. Maybe you see a unit to say glue. Nah, maybe I tarry side and side. Just like so. It goes here. Okay, so now it's time for our coconut to work here. And there. Okay. Finish doing all of them. Then I place my sweet bean here and there. Good. Nice. Okay. Okay. And see here. You know me use rice Oreos, no. Yes, so we are done. We are done. You, it's so beautiful. See, here I use sprinkles, big ones. Yes. So here is our bed in their nest.